Hello dear friends, today we shall discuss about repair and maintenance of refrigerators and deep freezers. Basically function wise, both the machines are same, only the required temperature ranges are different. So let us start with the common basic tools for this requirement.
These are the common basic tools for this purpose. Tube cutter. Small diameter annealed, soft copper tubes are used in most refrigeration work. Tube cutter is used to cut these tubes. It consists of V block against which the tube rests and an adjustable round blade of carbon steel which cuts the tube. Flaring tool. It is used for making up different types of flares of copper tubes. It has two parts: flaring bar, flaring yoke. Pipe bending tool, spring type. There are external coil spring bending tools where the external spring is designed to be used near the ends of tubes. Lever type. A lever type tube bender is used to form bends neatly and accurately without bucking the tubing. Pressure gauges. It is used to check the pressure of the refrigerant in refrigeration unit. There are high pressure and compound gauges. Thermometer. To check the temperature of any substance. Ling psychrometer. Relative humidity is measured by an instrument known as the ling psychrometer. This instrument consists of two ordinary thermometers securely fastened in a frame which is attached by chain. By means of this chain, the instrument can be rapidly whirled around so that it comes in contact with maximum amount of air. Around the bulb of one thermometer is a wick cloth which tampered with water when taking a reading. Halide torch. A thin carbon element is heated by hydrocarbon flame in the halide torch. The rubber tube in the torch extracts air on the element when flame burn. To find leak, this tube is slowly moved on outside joint of the system, fittings, and any slightest change in color of the flame shows the leakage. Gauge manifold. Two gauges are arranged for low and high pressures measurement. Either 3 or 4 flat connections for lines for the vacuum pump, refrigerant cylinder and appliance are to be tested. Flexible rubber charging line. It is flexible rubber lines already have connections on its ends. Flare fittings. Tongue tester. It is an instrument to check the voltage, resistance and drawing current by the appliance. Refrigerant cylinder. Vacuum pump. Recovery cylinder. Recovery unit. Pliers. Screwdriver. Spanner set. Ratchet wrench. Swagging tools. Swagging is a means of shaping copper tubing so that operation is accomplished with a punch type of screw type swagging tool. The tubing is clamped into the flaring block and a specially designed punch is hammered into the tubing, swaging or expanding the bend so that it will fit over the end of another piece of tubing. Pinching tools. It is used for sealing or closing the diameter of copper tubes. It consists of 2 bars forming jaws and holes of various sizes and are clamped together with using nuts and bolts.